Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered who's really watching over our water? It's easy to think that water is just something that flows from our taps or fills our rivers and lakes. But there's a whole hidden world of guardianship happening above us, one that most of us never even notice. Turns out it's not just scientists on the ground. It's a whole fleet of satellites orbiting above us, quietly protecting one of Earth's most precious resources, water. These high-tech machines are constantly scanning, measuring, and analyzing, making sure we know exactly what's happening with our planet's water at any given moment. Let's talk about these secret guardians. They might not wear capes, but their work is nothing short of heroic. Some of the most important ones are the GRACE satellites. That stands for Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment. These twin satellites work together, flying in formation, to measure tiny changes in Earth's gravity caused by the movement of water. Their mission? To keep tabs on how much water is stored underground, like in massive aquifers, and to spot changes in water mass all across the globe. This means they can detect when groundwater is being depleted faster than it's being replenished, a warning sign for future water shortages. Imagine being able to see entire continents breathing in and out as water moves beneath the surface. That's what GRACE does. It's like having X-ray vision for the planet, revealing the hidden flows and reserves that keep our ecosystems alive. Then there's SMAP, the Soil Moisture Active Passive Satellite. This satellite is a marvel of engineering, designed to measure the amount of water in the top layer of soil all over the world. It sounds fancy, but its job is straightforward. Track how much water is hiding in the soil. This information is crucial for farmers, scientists, and disaster response teams, helping them make better decisions about crops, irrigation, and even wildfire prevention. If you've ever worried about droughts or floods, SMAP is basically the planet's early warning system. By detecting changes in soil moisture, it can help predict when and where droughts might hit, or when the ground is so saturated that floods are likely. And I can't forget Sentinel-2, part of Europe's Copernicus program. This satellite is like a high-resolution camera in space, snapping detailed images of Earth's surface every few days. This satellite snaps high-resolution images of rivers, lakes, and wetlands, helping us spot pollution, illegal dumping, or even just how healthy our water ecosystems really are. It's a powerful tool for environmental protection, allowing us to see changes that would otherwise go unnoticed. It's like having a giant eye in the sky, always on the lookout. With this constant surveillance, we can respond faster to threats and keep our water cleaner and safer. So why do we even need satellites for water? The answer is simple. They give us a global perspective that's impossible to get from the ground alone. Here's the thing, the water crisis isn't always visible from the ground. Sometimes the signs of trouble are hidden deep below the surface or spread out over vast areas that are hard to monitor. A river can look fine on the surface but be in real trouble underneath. Groundwater might be disappearing, or pollution could be spreading where no one can see. Satellites can see the big picture, everything from shrinking glaciers to overpumped groundwater, with a level of detail that's impossible from Earth. They help us understand long-term trends and sudden changes alike. Their main goal is simple but powerful: help us manage water better. By providing accurate, up-to-date information, satellites empower governments, scientists, and communities to make smarter choices about how we use and protect water. Whether it's warning farmers about droughts, tracking the melting of polar ice, or alerting cities before floods hit, these satellites are giving us a fighting chance against climate change. They're also helping us adapt to new challenges, like population growth and changing weather patterns. It's easy to forget they're up there, quietly working 24/7. But their silent vigilance is making a real difference, every single day. But thanks to satellites, I can say we have a better shot at protecting our water, now and for future generations. The data they provide is shaping policies, saving lives, and ensuring that clean water remains available for everyone. Every time you turn on the tap or see a river flowing, remember, we're not alone in this fight. There's a whole network of technology and teamwork working behind the scenes to keep our water safe. The guardians above have our backs, and as long as they're watching, we have hope for a future where water is protected, cherished, and shared by all.